under the limelight in the aftermath of Shukri Belid's assassination.
President Obama is set to hand Congress classified documents outlining the legal justification for drone strikes that kill American citizens abroad who are conspiring with al-Qaeda. US newspapers have also revealed that some drones are flying from a secret airbase in Saudi Arabia. Earlier, we spoke to Arash Aramesh, who's a security analyst at Stanford University in California.
The most important piece of news that came out less than 48 hours ago was the publication, at least to the public, of the Department of Justice's white papers justifying and providing a legal framework around these drone operations in Pakistan, Yemen, and Somalia, and parts of Afghanistan, for that matter. As we know, the drone operations have been very controversial. There have been many legal questions around the validity and legality of these drone operations. But the Justice Department's memo seems to justify or provide a legal framework around three main points. First condition is that someone, an individual or an informed official in the U.S. government, has to be informed and supervise this sort of operation. That seems to be the president himself in many of these cases, based on what has been made public through many sources that journalists have talked to. Second condition is that the capture of these individuals is infeasible. It has to be infeasible for us to capture some of these individuals in Yemen, Somalia, Pakistan, or Afghanistan. And the third is that these operations have to be conducted in a manner that is consistent with applicable laws or applicable laws of war that apply in these cases. We're always waiting for the Justice Department or the White House, Department of Defense, or the Central Intelligence Agency to provide their legal justifications for these drone strikes. This is important, especially because some of these drone strikes have targeted U.S. citizens, most notably the case of al-Awlaqi in September of 2011, a U.S.-born citizen who became an al-Qaeda operative in Yemen and was targeted in a convoy last September and killed.
Arash Aramesh speaking to us earlier from California. France has asked the Security Council to consider establishing a UN peacekeeping operation in Mali. Well, the move reinforces its plan to send French troops home as soon as military operations end. The regional expert Bruce Whitehouse told Sky News how the transition between forces would be managed.
I think it's going to be a very long, drawn-out process if it's going to